Experiencing glitches with your TikTok shop. Let's get you back to selling fast. First, we need to access your TikTok settings on your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the side menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll find the core options to manage your account and resolve issues. Now, scroll down until you see the Report a Problem option. Tap on this to begin the troubleshooting process. You'll see a list of common issues. Look for the shopping bag or a similar icon that relates to TikTok Shop and tap on it. Here, you should be able to find a category that matches the error you're seeing. Select the most relevant one. For example, if your payment isn't going through, choose a payment-related issue. If the suggestions don't resolve your issue, tap on No, it didn't help. This will allow you to provide more specific details about what's going wrong. In the description box, clearly explain the problem you're experiencing, including any error messages you've seen, and when the issue occurs, be specific to help the support team understand. To make it even clearer, you can attach a screenshot or a short video of the error message. Tap the upload icon to add it. This visual evidence is incredibly helpful. Once you've filled in the details and attached any media, tap Submit. This sends your report to the TikTok Shop support team. You should receive a confirmation that your problem has been reported. The TikTok support team will review your issue and get back to you with a solution. While waiting, ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Also, try clearing your app's cache through your phone's general settings. If the problem persists, these steps can often resolve minor bugs. With these tips, you'll be back to a smooth TikTok Shop experience in no time.